Hey YouTube, so I'm coming at you today with what's going to be the start of a new series I'm going to work on, and it's about my favorite attachment for the John Deere tractor, and that is the 375A Backhoe. So the 375A Backhoe fits on mostly the 3000 series tractors. So what I think is a great feature about this backhoe is the ease of on and off. That's been a problem with backhoes for years, and they're kind of a pain to put on and take off. I think John Deere's got this pretty well figured out on the larger series tractors now, and I just want to show you a few clips about how that happens. So I think the first thing to note is that the lift arms actually stay on with this backhoe. The only thing you take off is the top link. The bottom links stay on, and they actually are part of the installation process. What we use, this bar goes on. And then we're going to actually back the tractor into the subframe and lift it up with the 3-point hitch arms. Once the frame's up in place, you take these two large pins and hook them to the subframe of the tractor. And those clips hold the pin in place so it can't come out. Next, we take the two hydraulic lines and hook up to the Power Beyond on the tractor. And really, that's it. All we have to do now is start the tractor and remove the parking pins, and we're ready to go to work. All in all, you can have this on in about 5 minutes. No time at all, super convenient. Good job, John Deere. So as you can see, the 375A Backhoe, super easy to put on, it's just as easy to take back off, it's powerful, it's pretty quick, it's easy to use, and a fantastic attachment. As soon as it warms up, we'll take it outside and get it in the dirt, really play with it a little bit. So subscribe up above, and be sure to check back in often. If you have anything you want to see me do with this, feel free to comment below, maybe we can make it happen. Even more fun. Alright, thanks for checking in.